Welcome to KCKPS Spotlight. FL Schlagle held their second community open house earlier this month. The theme for this year was investing in our community, and the many exhibits and activities all centered around this idea. Some of those exhibits and activities included a community potluck, a forum about knowing your rights, a presentation from the Hispanic Student Union, senior capstone projects, and much more. This was a great event for our students and others to learn and be excited about investing in our community. Students in the Anatomy and Physiology class at JC Harmon participated in a mock career fair and body system presentation. Each student was tasked to pick a career and then pick a system of the body that relates to that career. Then they studied those systems and careers to create a presentation that informed listeners of how the careers and body systems are connected. This project gave students a unique way to study anatomy and physiology while also developing presentations and soft skills that are used every day in the workplace. Several Arrowhead Middle School students participated in the Coterie Theatre's Reaching the Right Minds Playwrights Workshop. Reaching the Right Minds is a playwriting seminar that teaches students how to write dialogue and action in scripts, build characters, create settings and scenes, and more. Upon completing the seminar, some students may even be selected to participate in the Coterie's Young Playwrights Roundtable, a more advanced group that allows students to continue to develop their skills. Thank you for watching this episode of KCKPS Spotlight. For more information on these stories and so much more, please visit kckps.org.